BlackRock raises the stake. And when this happens, you know this is serious. The market is crashing today. The so-called Uptober turned into a Rectober. And things don't look great, especially for Shiba Inu. But when no one expected, Satoshi Kusama broke the silence and brought a new bombshell to our attention. Things are so wild. Almost 50 trillion Shiba Inu are now at risk, and people don't know what to do other than to panic. But what is even going on? What am I talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. October kicked off with a sharp and unexpected downturn for the cryptocurrency market. What was supposed to be the beginning of Uptober, a month many traders look forward to because of its traditionally bullish trends, quickly turned into what people are now calling Rectober. On the very first day of the month, the market took a hard hit, wiping out $10 billion in value and leading to over $500 million in liquidations, as seen on the heat map of crypto losses. This has been especially frustrating for Shiba Inu investors. Just before the crash, Shiba Inu team members like Lucy were hyping up Uptober on Twitter, fueling excitement as the price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed by more than 50% in just a few days. There was a real sense of optimism, and many believed the token was on a winning streak. But then, everything changed when Leash, one of Shiba Inu's sister tokens, was delisted from one of the world's largest exchanges. This move shattered the bullish momentum and sent Shiba Inu's price tumbling. However, even with the setback, there was still hope. People thought Uptober could turn things around, but as soon as the month began, things got even worse. Shiba Inu took another heavy dive, much deeper than anyone had anticipated, leaving traders in disbelief. The whale activity for Shiba Inu has increased by a remarkable 360%, ranking it among the top cryptocurrencies, with notable increases in large investor movements. This makes a volume of over $820 million, which is almost 50 trillion Shiba Inu just in the last 24 hours. But to understand what could happen next, we need to focus on Bitcoin, as it tends to set the pace for the entire cryptocurrency market, pulling other coins along with it. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at a crucial point. If it drops below $60,000, we could see it fall even further, possibly into the high 50,000s. At the moment, it's testing its support levels with a lot of liquidations happening, which suggests that overly leveraged positions are being cleared out. Many traders expected the bullish momentum to continue and opened long positions. But the sudden reversal of the market triggered those positions, adding even more downward pressure. The data shows that most of the liquidations came from long positions, which means a lot of people were counting on an Uptober rally. And now, Bitcoin faces a critical question. Can it hold its ground above these key support levels? For the market to recover from this liquidation shock and regain stability, Bitcoin must stay above $60,000. If it does, we could see a late-month rally, reviving hopes that Uptober could still deliver on its promises. It's worth remembering that October has just started, so there's still plenty of time for a major reversal. If Bitcoin can hold its ground here, the entire market might follow suit, bringing back the bullish momentum everyone hoped for. While the entire crypto market was in a panic and people were selling off their assets, something interesting happened. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, bought over $40 million worth of Bitcoin for its Bitcoin ETF, right in the middle of the chaos. While traders were panicking, BlackRock was quietly buying, which caught a lot of people off guard. And this kind of move isn't new. Large institutions tend to make big purchases during market dips. But this time, something stood out. While BlackRock was making these huge buys, all other Bitcoin ETF firms were seeing outflows. In just 24 hours, a total of $240 million flowed out of other Bitcoin ETFs, with BlackRock being the only one showing inflows, and not just small inflows, but a hefty 40 million. This makes BlackRock's actions even more noticeable. It raises the question, why are they moving in the opposite direction of everyone else? It's clear that something significant is happening behind the scenes. And BlackRock's confidence in Bitcoin during such a volatile time is grabbing attention. Their strategic timing suggests they may know or see something others don't, further setting them apart from the rest of the ETF players. And the chart we're seeing now offers something to think about. As one Twitter user pointed out, record Bitcoin ETF inflows marked the top in the market again. Will record outflows also mark the bottom again? What this tweet suggests is that just like heavy buying at the peak meant a reversal was coming, these massive outflows could indicate the market is nearing a turning point in the opposite direction, a potential bottom from where things could start rising again. It's an interesting thought, especially given the timing. With October just starting and all eyes on the so-called Uptober rally, this might actually be the sign we need for a recovery. In my opinion, adding this outflow pattern to the mix of what we saw at the start of October makes sense. If Bitcoin holds above key levels and we're seeing these outflows, it could mean the worst is behind us. That would set the stage for a big reversal, potentially kicking off the rally everyone was hoping for at the beginning of the month. And this is where things get interesting. Satoshi Kusama has finally broken the silence and posted a message to the Shiba Inu army, grabbing their attention with a tweet about the upcoming ShibaCon, a major blockchain conference organized by the Shiba Inu team. The event is set to take place in Bangkok, Thailand, lasting just over a week. It's drawing leaders from across the blockchain space, including DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and gaming, who will be keynote speakers and lead discussions on key topics. Plus, it's going to be a big networking opportunity for developers, influencers, content creators, and anyone looking to share knowledge and connect with like-minded people. The timing of this announcement is interesting, especially given the market conditions and Shiba Inu's price crash today. The event could potentially give Shiba Inu some much-needed positive momentum. With the crypto market in a fragile state, a major event like this, filled with influential voices, could shift sentiment back to the positive, especially if some exciting partnerships, projects, or news come out of it. And I really think the timing is no coincidence. The announcement of ShibaCon right after such a significant dip feels strategic, as if it's meant to reignite interest and optimism in the Shiba Inu community. If the event manages to generate enough hype or reveals new developments, it could be the spark Shiba Inu needs to recover and even gain some upward momentum in what many hope will still be a bullish October. And the timing for a potential price reversal and return of bullish momentum couldn't be better. Just today, Robinhood made a huge announcement, expanding its crypto services in Europe by introducing crypto transfers. This means customers in Europe can now send and receive assets like Shiba Inu directly through the platform. And while this update from Robinhood Europe might seem like a small detail at first glance, it's actually a big deal. It's something that could attract a lot of people to use Robinhood in Europe. Before this update, European users of Robinhood couldn't even withdraw their crypto funds to external wallets like MetaMask. This made using Robinhood for crypto in Europe feel pretty pointless. Imagine buying Shiba Inu but having no way to move it outside the platform, limiting what you could actually do with your investment. That lack of flexibility discouraged many users from even considering it. But now, with this new update allowing crypto transfers, it changes everything. It opens the door for European users to fully engage with their assets, making it a lot more appealing for both new and existing investors. And Europe isn't small. It's huge. To put it in perspective for American viewers, Europe has over 740 million people spread across many countries. That's a massive market of potential investors who, thanks to this update, now have better access to Shiba Inu through Robinhood. Robinhood has been consistently supportive of Shiba Inu, and this expansion into Europe, paired with the platform's praise for Shiba Inu, could bring a wave of new buyers. With so many potential newcomers entering the space, this could be a big boost to the bullish momentum that the Shiba Inu community is hoping for, helping to turn the tide in what has been a tough month so far. But what is your opinion on that? Comment down below. I'd be eager to read your opinion. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.